everybody thanks walk to the bush. Guys, have you ever walked in between the bushes there and all of a sardine there op 'n hoopie gras, you see this baby aminal. And you look at it and you go, "Ag, noes. Look at its klein lyfie." And you think to yourself, do these little baby aminals sit there on 'n hoopie takkies there and just think to themselves there, what the bloody that I want to be when I grow up? Yeah, they might just be a klein kwagga for the time being, but when they grow up, they turn into a pajama donkey. It doesn't matter. Okay, time to pull yourself towards yourself there and go back to your roots. Okay. Yeah, okay. So next year, 27 March 2024, Southern Skies Festival is having a huge bloody concert there. And Bernice West is going to be there. So pull in, kom skud die maar die biscuits, ons sal môre die krummels optel. Bring out a little klein kwagga in you. Okay, thanks.